Welcome back. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a dog. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle. Okay, we're going to start over here on the page and we're going to draw the top of the head first. And right here, let's draw the ear. It's a big curved line like this that loops around. Take your time. And then back up like this. Remember, you could always pause the video if you need more time. Okay, let's draw the bottom of the head like this. A big curved line like this. Down, under, and back up around. Let's draw the other ear starting up here. And we curve down like this. Slow and steady wins the race. Okay, now let's draw the nose right in the middle of the head. We're going to start with a curved line like this and wrap it under for the muzzle. And then another curved line up like this. And a little cheek line. From this point, let's draw down. And then from this point, another small curved line down. Let's draw that big doggy tongue. You're doing great. Remember, you can pause the video if you need more time. Let's draw the nose right in the middle of that muzzle. It's kind of like an oval shape. Let's color that nose in black. Now let's color the mouth in black. He looks happy. Now let's draw the eyes. A big circle here. Follow along. And then a smaller circle inside. And then inside that, another circle. A little smaller though. And then a little diamond shape here. Diamonds have 4 sides. Let's color in that eye black. Remember to stay within the lines. Okay, let's draw the other eye over here. So another bigger circle, starting right about here on top of the muzzle. Okay, now let's draw a smaller circle inside of that circle. That looks great. Now a smaller circle inside of that circle. And another diamond shape over here. Let's color it in black. Look at those eyes. Okay, let's draw some eyebrows on top here. And one on the other side. Now we're done with the head. Let's draw the body. Starting with the collar. Every good dog has a collar, except for me. Okay, some curved lines like this. And now a circle right between the two of them. And a little loopy line like this. And two little lines on top of that. That looks good. Now let's draw the rest of the body down here. Starting with the chest. Up here by the collar, let's draw a curved line going down. And then some smaller curved lines attached to that. Now a straight line here. And a curved line for the foot. That goes back up to make the rest of the leg. That looks like a leg to me. Okay, let's draw a straight line here. And another foot. That goes back up into a straight line like this. Let's draw the toes. A little line here and a little line there. And another set here. Let's draw the back of the dog now. Starting up here by the collar, we're going to draw a real long curved line down like this. And then at that point, another curved line that loops around to make the back leg. Now a C-shaped line like this. And the toes. Let's draw the doggy's tail. Starting here on the back, let's draw a curved line up like this. That loops back around and stops. And then attached to that another curved line. And another curved line. And another. And one more. Wow! Your drawing is looking great! Now, let's add some color to it. Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's color it in. I'm gonna make him brown like me. Now the collar. Let's make it blue. And his dog tag gold colored. Don't forget the tongue. We'll make that red. And remember, every artist signs their doodle. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video.